I need the yo-yos.
Scene 1, Apple, take 2.
Yeah, Mike to hair and makeup. You're on set in 20. Mike to hair and makeup.
How's it going, everybody? This is Mike from Turnin and Burnin. Mike out getting it on Instagram. We got a little special treat for y'all. But before we show y'all, can you do me a favor? Like, subscribe, and tell your friends about us. So today what we got going on is we're going to be hanging some shoots, and I'm going to be taking y'all along for the ride.
So I can put my meter
And I got some carnitas.
Are you tired,
And I got some tortillas. And I got some chili. Mama doesn't let me buy tamales, that's too expensive. I can get 2 pounds and some salsa and a big rib. I can't get tamales, it's too expensive. And I got some. This is the audience participation part of the program. Porque I got some. I got a little more on this side of the room, not so much on that side. And I got some. Wieners with eggs is good. Just don't mess up with put ketchup in it. Ketchup's gross. And I got some cheese. Give me 2 times for chicharrones. Give me 3 times for wieners and eggs. And I got some cabeza. Yeah.
I need the yo-yos. All right, everybody, I hope y'all enjoyed that. And that's just a little snippet of what we got going on. Next time, we're going to do some real big stuff. So stay tuned and follow us.
Hey guys, I got some bad news. We're not gonna be able to use the man lifts today, so we're just gonna have to walk the beam and use the chain falls. Y'all down?
Yes, sir. I'll go get the chain fall and yo-yo set up.
Alright, man. Thank you, Chiva. Good to go, Mike?
Yeah, man. It sounds like we'd be walking a lot of beam. Oh, I love that.
Let's get it, baby.
Hell yeah.